Mama wakwaba wafreme ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusia for Felix appear political zone or the ensembia tudwa na ye nim say ye NPP for akoto omo abom yi His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Bawumia Some flag bearer FMA NPP amayoko na sesi no one omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama na ebesia kan no 2024 I be pinso wo Ghana hanom ya me nko alo nim nipa obewi ni me no ka say ye ni 2024 na ye twen na Felix ensem bi eboboba efi Ashanti region titirupa ene Kumawood for mu etwaseni e wo honom no Felix amanfo bi a omo apopo omo ho sene no omo nka so omo play ro papa bia wo nsem hu omo di no omo hwe no omo twa so so omo akojisika every omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ho ene omo de ekensem hu so omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama member omo ombra biom dia ene no omo shut up because dumso ene collapse eye Kumawood dumso eye nyama bebre nti sende omanpani dada akọ na aban foforo abamonya light di adwuma na se mo appreciate na se mo kwakofa dumso abebi odi a enya de baba sonde ana so chrenti mo adiska mo fa enkomo man pedi dada John Dramani Mahama yinti ensema Felix apia e de etudwa.
Let me send this warning to them. Sa Kumawood for one more sebe one more no so mbenya role bi agba aje so mo so ombeye konfo ana so mbeye bi otonsuo sa small petty role for na one more asra omo dwene so omo stars. Now let me tell you, no amount of money you take from John Dramani Mahama will cast any dirt on away His Excellency away Bawumia. Tell you how do me what sign them was maybe your friend over there na when he Masi. Na se hu ehin no so wonyansa na hu ehin kon no so wonyansa me ka ne nyansa semu bi ono no ose so ofira himfie ommie nani no nti ade on kan kire yen se bra ye gi asantema si wa ban ben na wa ba ye adwuma ekufu ado aban we eye wa asantema mu ana modwen sa asante ani Kumase ohun somebody came and took or the asantema din ekoji 29 million so obedani Kumasi Airport International plane to every order. Utumi the plane called Germany from Asantememu. Utumi the plane called even Togo from Asantememu. So now obi abeji to or the Asantidin or the Asantema dia koji 29 million. Mo betina social media munya followers na Jimmy ene mo na betena mo kekan kwasi asem. And by the way, man, I'm not your regular blogger, Mr. Huenyi or whoever you are. I'm not that your regular blogger. When me bias are back and forth. Me because I come with fact. This are we already say because I come with fact. You guys make everything look say Asantema is just Kumasi Nkwane Asante. Are you people serious? Asantema Nkwane Kumasi Nkwane Asantema Mwana. I was in Kumasi last year. For some of you now, I'm sorry, Jimmy Nkwane, I'm better social media channel. I was in Kumasi last year and I saw the amount of road construction that was going on. Mechanical say before before let's say June, okay, I was in Ghana. I came back. What is it? May. I came back in May, and I saw the amount of roads that were done. Who here or who he know say we offer kwan so at the fast and the kwan so and ka be hu say obi baaye e be started dual carriage from Accra to Kumasi. President Kufuor na bisa hu say President Kufuor call ye no how many kilometers of those dual carriage the Mahama na mu jira say na mo beto abeti MPP no added to Kumasi route. Come and tell us. Who are he? Come and tell us how much kilometers of road Mahama constructed in Asante. And now say development is all about Eduani Obedi. Social media. I'm ready for all of you. Bawumia has won and that's it. We will show them we don't want a running mate. We are buepi. How many of them came up? Asantema nankasa said there be a shemwa bebre eduno onipa say ni yede ne kwa ebebo ayen kwasia utu social media page su Jimmy obeto aba Mahama koto aba Mahama who gives a fuck Isn't that what you people want anyways? A corrupt person that will come and steal money and then make you people buy cars and buy houses with it. Kurasini boy. Don't start that nonsense with Baumia. Nana who he or whoever wanna mena workers and within the Felix appear. Me say don't start that nonsense. Say open facts, no person who Juma MPP are buying Iowa Santimemwa. We can debate that. If only you are ready and smart enough to know what even governance is about. And I'm like Baumia there, and we will make sure. So what Papa will vote here back over from crash the same free. Anyway, well, say when you can careless, I did not the can't. Yes, I'm talking to Nana Wayne or whoever he is. Crash for. You think Sabi Ashanti region is just Kumasi? Ashanti region is just Kumasi. Unye Kurasini na Sabi unyo bi asabi aye wafu na adana manka boy President Kufuor who hitie me ha. President Kufuor, somebody send this video to that guy. I want him to come and reply. I mean training answer. Nkwasi afu asema ndi ko konsa wo social media Sabi mundidi. Motu nkrofo ho nsam nko ade bia trending issue mra na mo metena nka nkwasi asem enfam pay views nko wa bua pi ma me watu ho ayi ko no baby jira baby didi Baumi atem Baumi na de monyem na mo bepon wo utie na ho ahi or whatever your name is Baumi no monyem na mo bepon na me I'm not afraid of any of you. All the actresses or actors are ye de mo be ya adwuma ni na no, we are not afraid of you. Dan kwasi asem no Aba betra no pay MPP for Samakotna idea and their fin mobile pair animate work. Because yeah, this was already orchestrated. Do you even understand what politics is about? Okoto Abano, region Ben a man at the highest mark. Some pasa Santafo and Penusa Santafo Gidis a 1 year Juma, Adentina Santafo Koto Abamo de Mano. Krasif Brakofi says and Minyani and pay Minyani a bit general say MPP Frequi Baumia dia and Omumbi Jania be pair running mate to a. As and the four came for the running mate if you don't know Jimmy. Ye Jina have fighting for togetherness. Musmu Jana tribalism no kwasia some kwana mo person ye. Abodam kwa we your hene. On hina we yin way on when he go to me your hene. On here we yin or being free woo or being free woo wabuchiamwa or nipa. Wow bua pimam what way. Messi, I'm saying this because I want you to come and reply. Come and reply. Na menchire unyansa, menchire uniama MPP abain ayediama santemai. Asiakwa na nsenya na more power, Kumasi power, na engineer. What did the government do? They have to do doom CSA. Changing wires. Not only did they change wires, they made sure that they built another depot, power depot, close to Kintampo. Go and do it. And until say Kumasi mulai to sisuno. Until say Kumasi mulai to sisuno.